Greetings, tech enthusiasts. In this informative guide, we'll explore the setup of an HTTP custom VPN in conjunction with your SSH Websocket account. If you are yet to create your SSH Websocket account, the provided link in the description will assist you in setting up. Let's begin with the configuration process. Commence by creating your SSH Websocket account using the link provided in the description. Access the Play Store to download the HTTP Custom VPN app. Once the download is complete, proceed to install the application. Upon installation, open the HTTP Custom VPN app. Enter the SSH account details from the configuration file you downloaded into the designated fields, following the on-screen instructions. Ensure to enable the payload by checking the payload box. Navigate to the utility section by tapping on the hamburger icon. Select payload, and input the relevant payload and proxy information in the provided boxes as demonstrated. Tap on the hamburger icon once more, select VPN settings from the connection section, and input your username and password in the respective fields. Return to the main screen of the app and click on the Connect button to initiate a VPN connection using the configured settings. For assistance in finding the correct host or IP, feel free to reach out to me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The contact links can be found in the description. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech content. Stay tuned for future updates.